Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. In this video, I will tell you how to name the cell in Excel, because naming the cell in Excel will help us more easily in making the formulas or entering the formulas in Excel. For example, in this video, I have one Excel sheet, and in this Excel sheet I want to name the various cells. For example, here the length. I want to uh, I want to name this length as L or length. Now, first, how we can do it? You can simply right click. When you right click, you have to come into the define name for this cell. When you come to the name, select the name. Here already length has been written, so I'll select OK. The other one is width, so I will come to the width option and right click and define name. I will select the width or W, whatever whatever is easier to you. The third one is height, so I will select H, simple H. So now let's enter this formula here. For example, now I want to here in a volume. For example, the volume is written in below in this Excel sheet, so I want to enter the length, width and height. Instead of going to the G8, G8, G10, GH, I will simply enter the length multiply by the W width. Now here it's selecting the cell by itself. Multiply by height H, yes, height. So I will enter. So now this volume has been selected automatically. So this formula has been entered. Now this length, the width, height has entered the length anywhere else. So instead of using G10, I will simply enter the LENGTH length. Enter the 20. The 20 is the length here written. So this cell has been used in that command. I have used them. Now the other, for example, I want to use the diameter. So I will define it as a diameter as a large D. Okay, in area. For example, in area I want to calculate the area of this diameter of pipe, bar, anything. So I will first enter pi, 3.14 pi by 4. 3.14 is the value of pi. 4 divided by this, multiply by D. Here this D has been selected. So now this here in this way I have used this define naming the cell and then using in any formula is very easy as compared to using as a G10 H10, which is very difficult and sometimes the formula become incorrect. Now the third example is the velocity is equal distance upon time. Here the displacement is given, so I will name this displacement as S and time as small t. Okay, now in velocity I will simply enter the S divided by small t time, so it's give me the velocity in meter per second. With this is the very simple method. It is not difficult. Thank you viewers for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.